Question number 1 is in BCG vaccine the word C stands for. Option A is comet. Option B is cough. Option C is chlorine. Option D is cadmium. The correct answer is option A, that is calorimeter. Question number is to the deficiency of vitamin A causes. Option 1 is night blindness. Option 2 is beriberi. Option 3 is rickets. Option 4 is pellagra. The correct answer is option A, that is night blindness. Question number 3. Normal blood pressure reading of an adult human. Option 1 is 80 by 120 mmHg. Option 2 is 120 by 80 mmHg. Option 3 is 130 by 90 mmHg. Option 4 is 160 by 95 mmHg. The correct answer is option 2. That is 120 by 80 mmHg. Question number 4 is. BOD stands for. Option 1 is biological oxidation demand. Option 2 is biological oxygen demand. Option 3 is biochemical oxygen demand. Option 4 is biotic oxidation demand. The correct answer is option 3. That is biochemical oxygen demand. Question number is 5. Minamata disease is caused by pollution of water by. Option 1 is lead. Option 2 is tin. Option 3 methyl isocyanate. Option 4 is mercury. The correct answer is option 4. That is mercury. Thank you for watching video. Please do like and share. Subscribe to my channel.